In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a project called Master Content Strategy. We're going to create a simple, practical workflow for managing content from the first idea all the way to publication. The goal here is to make your process easy to see at a glance, so you always know what stage each piece of content is in and what needs attention next. To begin, create a new project and name it Master Content Strategy. Giving the project a clear, specific name helps keep it easy to identify, especially if you manage multiple workflows or collaborate across different teams. This project will serve as your central space for planning and tracking content. Once the project is created, organize it into sections based on the major phases of your strategy. Set up 4 sections: brainstorm, production, editing, and scheduled. These sections represent the journey of a content idea from early planning through final preparation. Brainstorm is where you place rough ideas and early concepts. Production is for content that is actively being created. Editing is where you review, refine, and polish the work. Scheduled is for content that is complete and ready to go live at the appropriate time. Structuring the project this way gives you a clean pipeline that mirrors a real content workflow. Next, add tags or custom fields that help you sort and evaluate your tasks more effectively. Include fields for target audience, channel, and priority. The target audience field helps you clarify who each piece of content is intended for, which can improve focus and messaging. The channel field lets you identify where the content will be published, such as a blog, video platform, newsletter, or social media channel. The priority field helps you quickly spot which tasks are most urgent or most valuable, so you can make better decisions about what to work on first. These labels add useful context without making the system complicated. After that, start using the workflow by dragging tasks along the pipeline as ideas progress from concept to publication. As a new idea is developed, move it from brainstorm into production. When the draft or asset is ready for review, move it into editing. Once it has been finalized and prepared for release, move it to scheduled. This visual movement makes progress easy to track and helps prevent tasks from getting stuck or overlooked. When everything